What's up, fam? It's Frozair, and I have some tips that help me land offers from companies like Snapchat, Square, and Google. These tips come straight from my personal experience. I believe they are the 3 most important things that help me land these offers. Today, I'm jumping into one of those tips: how to tackle LeetCode problems. This tip is one of a 3-part video series where I'll cover each tip in a separate video. So stay tuned for the next ones. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Frozair. I've been a software engineer since 2012 and a native mobile developer since 2017. I started out making reggaeton and hip-hop beats to coding my way into the tech world. Now, I'm loving life as a dad, husband, and wannabe content creator. Wannabe for sure. But today, I got some tips that help me land offers from big tech like Google, Snapchat, and Square. Those tips are from my own journey, and I hope they help. LeetCode problems. I hate them. Hate them with a passion. I hate the way that you walk, the way that you talk, the way you make my damn head explode, man. Woo! But the reality is, it's a necessary evil. It's a great way for companies to set a baseline for what they're expecting from their software engineers. It's a great way for them to test your problem-solving skills. When I first started doing LeetCode problems, I sucked. I would spend like 40-50 minutes with one problem and making no progress. I watch a bunch of YouTube videos on LeetCode, read the explanations of the algorithms on FreeCodeCamp, but none of it would stick until I changed my strategy. The LeetCode Learn section is a goldmine. It breaks down arrays, binary trees, sorting algorithms, all of that in LeetCode style problems. I would pick the easy problem from the Learn section, set a 20-minute timer, and go for it. If I couldn't complete it within that time, that's okay. I'd look at the solution, try to make some sense of it, and manually type out the solution. That's super important. Manually type it out, hit the run button, and see it pass. This gave me a sense of completion, which boosted my confidence. Then I grab another easy problem and do it again. I do this for 1-2 hours a day, starting with a problem I already solved. Doing a problem I already knew reinforced the pattern I already saw, which made my understanding stick. If I had to do LeetCode problems today, this is how I would tackle them. Begin with the easy problem and set a 20-minute timer for each. If you can't solve a problem in 20 minutes, review the solution. Make sure you understand it and manually type it out. I cannot stress enough, you need to manually type it out. Practice for 1-2 hours a day. The next day, try solving the same problems from memory. This helps you understand why the solution works. Over time, you'll start recognizing patterns, which improves your problem-solving speed. As you get faster with easy problems, use them as warm-ups. Do a couple of easies to warm up, then tackle medium problems. Remember, the goal is to solve medium problems within 20 minutes. In interviews, you might need to solve 2 problems in 1 hour. You want to make sure you leave enough time for your questions. Those were the steps I took when tackling LeetCode problems. These steps helped me land offers from Google, Snapchat, and Square. This is just one part of a 3-part series where I share the most important tips that help me succeed. Make sure you stay tuned for the next videos where I'll cover the other 2 tips. I hope this helps you in your journey. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit your boy with the like and subscribe, hit the bell icon for more content, drop a comment if you have any question or if there are any other topics you'd like to see me talk about. Thanks for watching and good luck with your LeetCode problems. Let's get it.